Panoramix? Tout va bien?
Parfaitement bien.
Not once did I even sprain an ankle, not once. From now on, I cannot be the only one to know the formula to the magic potion.
What?
I will set forth in search of a young successor that I can entrust it to.
What?
This is a disaster, Obelix. Who knows what'll happen if the magic potion falls into the wrong hands?
Getafix.
Can you think of a list of young druids in Gaul with a good reputation?
I think we keep crib notes somewhere.
Crib notes?
Teeny little cribby wibby, so cute.
I won't tell if you don't.
And of course, the ultimate lame brains couldn't cook up an onion soup to save their lives.
Now, these guys are pretty worthless, but they still manage a trick or two.
In the Carnage Forest, I'm known as Magnetics.
These are all straight A's. Go easy on the swagger.
Hail Caesar. This potion, I can bring it to you.
The potion of the wackos?
Up to your old tricks, Demonix!
Tonight marks the end of these mustachioed morons. The end of Asterix.
I pour this one into that one.
You think you're a druid?
Can't be that much harder than being a fishmonger.
Attack! No, Obelix, pass!
All these beards. Which one do I want? What are you adding that for? Same thing happens every time.
This one's different. Buy 10. If it hasn't exploded, then we're safe. 1.
If you're as good a druid as a fishmonger, we should sell tickets.
So, what's up, you big tub of lard? Check out your tongue. Squawk! I'll show you who's the man. Huh? Guess it's worn off now. Well, best things come to an end and all that. Nice chatting with you.